Hi, Jessica Kinni here, and today I'm going to share with you a breathing exercise that I actually created for myself, but I thought, hey, there might be other people out there that would benefit from this exercise as well, and I call it filling the heart. And essentially what you do is you take your hands and you place the thumbs together and the fingers together in a heart shape, letting your elbows drop comfortably because you don't want to strain your neck. This is supposed to be relaxing. And just holding your hands like this, go ahead and bring this heart to your chest in whatever angle is comfortable. If it's easier for you to drop your elbows more, that's fine. If you need to keep them up a little higher because that's just what feels good for your body, go with the placement that feels good for you. But essentially, you're gonna hold them to your chest. You're gonna breathe in and out through your nose. And when you inhale, you're gonna imagine that this heart, starting at the bottom of the heart where the thumbs are, fills up with relaxing energy. And when you exhale out through your nose, that relaxing energy is pushed out of the heart and surrounds you. So with each breath, you're creating a heart full of relaxation and just letting that energy, that relaxation, take over the space around you and just allow your body to relax. So let's try this together a few times, inhaling and exhaling through the nose. All right, inhale, visualize that heart just filling up with that relaxing energy. Exhale, that energy is now making its way into the space around you. Inhale, taking your time here, really breathing in deep, filling the heart. Exhaling, all of that space around you, relaxing you, just noticing how your body is feeling. Inhaling, exhaling. Inhaling, filling the heart. Exhaling, all of that energy, allowing your body to relax. Do this a few times. And when you feel like your body has relaxed, you can go ahead and release your hands and put them by your sides. You can do this with your eyes opened or closed, but just take a second to notice how not only the space around you has shifted, but how your energy has shifted. And just hold on to that shift for a little bit. All right, I hope you enjoyed that. And the reason why I like to hold my hands in this heart shape like this in front of my chest is because it keeps my mind from wandering when I'm maybe more stressed out. So sometimes you just need to take a few seconds, right, and pull back and just breathe, but your mind keeps going. And I found that giving my hands something to do also kind of gives me something to focus on, visualizing that filling up the heart, releasing the heart so it surrounds me. I'm completely just focused on my personal relaxation, taking a few moments and breathing. My brain doesn't have the bandwidth to think about too much more than that. So I hope that you'll give it a try. I hope you enjoyed doing this with me, and the next time you find yourself in a situation where you just need to breathe, give this one a go and let me know what you think.